If television dish receiver is not getting power up, then this video will help you to troubleshoot and rectify its fault at home. If power light is blinking in this way, then most probable cause of this fault is malfunctioning of power supply board. Let's open its cover to troubleshoot and repair its fault. There are two types of board in television dish receiver: power supply board and main processor board. And there's also a display board. This one is power supply board. This capacitor of its power supply board is inflated, which is main filter capacitor, while rest of all capacitors are look like normal. This filter capacitor top surface is enlarged, while all other are normal and with flat top surfaces. Enlarged surface shows that it is damaged. Let's remove this faulty capacitor. This is 1000 microfarad and 16 volt rating capacitor. Replace this with another same one. Place back power supply board and connect input and output power strips. Now switch on its power. Great, it's working now. So, it was a filter capacitor fault. For more such kind of videos, please like and subscribe this channel.